Hello again and welcome back to the Level 4 review of IELTS writing. This video looks at causes and effects essays. Here's an essay topic looking at the causes and effects of stress. In this case our essay topic is a problem, and that problem is stress. So we need to look at the causes, which are the reasons, and one possible reason is having too much work to do. Another one is having to take care of an elderly or sick person in the family. Then we consider the effects, which are the results. One result of stress is poor health, and another one is maybe some bad habits. Now let's look at an essay using these causes and effects. Firstly, if we look at the introduction, we can see that we have the structure of the general background, the topic, and the thesis. And how do we know it's a cause and effect essay? Because we say so very clearly. We also know that we need to change some of the vocabulary from the essay question when we write it into our essay topic. And here we have it's not good, means it's a problem. And many countries we have common in modern society. Not exactly the same, but close enough. Moving on to the causes paragraph, we have the structure with the topic sentence that introduces the paragraph. And again, we say exactly what this paragraph is about. We use this language to show that this is our first and most important reason. Here we have because when we're explaining, and then a result, and our next cause, example, and result again. The effects paragraph is similar, of course, and we show that it's the effects paragraph. We show that here's our main idea. We show our example and our result, our second point, and our result from the second point. In the conclusion, we're going to have the thesis again. And of course we want to say, here's our conclusion, and here's what we were looking at in the essay. For our summary of main ideas, we want to introduce our causes and introduce our effects. We also want to clearly show when we're giving our opinion or some advice. We have a look at the grammar of this essay, and remember that the complex grammar that we've been studying throughout this course is that clauses, conditionals, and relative clauses, and using verb ing nouns. We can see here that we've got two that clauses already in this body paragraph. We've also got two conditionals, one with when and another with if, and one relative clause. So we have quite a lot of complex grammar in this paragraph. Looking at the second body paragraph and the conclusion, again we've got two that clauses. We have two relative clauses and one conditional. Now also in these paragraphs we can see many examples of gerunds, which is the verb ing as a noun. And you can see the examples here. Using these correctly, together with the complex grammar, will help you get a better mark for your IELTS. Here is the topic for the exercises that you're about to look at on the web page. In this case, having children later in life is not so much a problem as an issue. And the issue is that people start their families later. So now you need to think about the causes. So what are the reasons? Why do people start their families later? And the effects? What are the results if people start their families later? You should give yourself 40 minutes to write an essay about this topic, and then you can go and work your way through the exercises on the web page.